sidebar in a Google site. This is the sidebar over here. By default, as you create new pages at the top level, new links will appear on the sidebar in alphabetic order. If you want to change the order or remove a link, you can go to Edit Sidebar. On this sample, there is one navigation item, but if you select Add a Sidebar Item, you can add more. To edit the one you have, we'll click on Edit. Notice that the Automatically Organize My Navigation is checked. This is a default selection, but you can also uncheck it. If you uncheck it, you'll see the current pages. Now we can see the pages that are currently available in the sidebar. To move one up or down, you can highlight one and you can use the gray arrow here on the right to move it up or down. If there was one that you wanted to delete, you could highlight it and then you could press the delete key or the remove key. If you wanted to add a URL, there's a add URL link here. And what you do is you put in the URL you'd like to go to. So I'm going to put www.clemson.edu and the text that you want to display. So I'm just going to put Clemson homepage. Now, one thing that students can do on their e-portfolios is find the URL where their competencies appear on the Clemson webpage and paste that URL in the top box and maybe put competencies or something like that in their text to display. Now, if I click OK and save changes and return to site, you'll see that the PowerPoint is gone, but now I do have this Clemson homepage link, and you can see when I hover it up here on the sidebar, if you look in the lower left-hand corner, you'll see the www.clemson.edu page it would go to if I were to click on it. All right, now let's create a new page. And we'll name this one About Me. And we'll leave it at the top level. And you'll notice that after creating the page, let me save it. You'll notice that after creating the page, there is no About Me link over on the left-hand side. So to get it there, you'll click on Edit Sidebar and Edit Navigation. And now, since you're not automatically organizing your navigation, you can see the pages that are there. If we click on Add Page, all of the available pages will appear. So I'm going to select the About Me page, say OK, and save changes and return to site. Now the About Me page shows up at the bottom of my list. I can click on it to go to that About Me page, or I can click back to the home. If I'd like the About Me page to appear right under home, I could go to Edit Sidebar and Edit Navigation again, and select the About Me and move it up. Now, if I'd like the About Me to maybe appear indented, the left and right arrows let you move the things around. So maybe I'd like to have About Me as indented under the home page. A couple of other things you can do while you're on this page. Notice you have Add a Sidebar Item, and the items you can add are an additional navigation, or you can add text, which you can actually put a link in the text if you wanted. You can have recent site activity, and finally you can have a countdown. So you might want to count down the days to graduation or exams or something. At the top you have another couple of choices up here. One is change site layout. And if you change site layout, you can change the width of your site on the page. A lot of people change this to a smaller, like 80%. It looks very, very nice. The other choices are you can change the header height, and you can have the sidebar appear on the left or the right, or have no sidebar. And finally, you can change the logo from this page, and you can use the default logo, have no logo, or you can attach a file from your hard drive. This is a custom logo. It should be a fairly small graphic file if you're going to do that. Let's save the changes and return to site And now you'll see that About Me indented is still at the top level, but it's just indented on the sidebar, and the Clemson homepage is still at the bottom. This concludes our video presentation on editing the sidebar in a Google site.